Factorizing quadratics of the form x squared plus bx plus c, a, equals 1. This is the simple form of quadratics, where the coefficient, a, is 1, a, equals 1. For example, we have the following shown on screen. Belongs to this type of quadratics where a, equals 1, b equals -5 and c equals 4. If such quadratics are factorized, the expression will be written in the form, we have the following shown on screen. Where m and n are two numbers such that when the factorized quadratics expands, we can obtain the original form of this expression. Thus, when expanding the last expression, we obtain the following shown on screen. In this way, if the two conditions, we have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. Meet simultaneously in a given quadratic expression, then it is possible to factorize it. Let's see whether the quadratic we took as an example at the beginning of this lesson can be factorized or not. For this, we must try to find two numbers m and n that fit the previous example. Since b equals -5 and c equals 4, we have the following shown on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. The two numbers that meet these conditions are 1 and 4, or 4 and 1. Therefore, the original quadratics, we obtain the following shown on screen. Is expressed in the form shown in the following on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. Example. Factorize the following quadratics: a, x squared plus 7x plus 6. b, x squared minus 4x plus 4. Solution. A, we have a, equals 1, b equals 7 and c equals 6. In addition, we must have the following shown on screen. Hence, substituting the known values, we have the following shown on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. The only two numbers that meet both these requirements are m equals -1 and n equals -6, or m equals -6 and n equals -1. Therefore, the factorized form of the expression, we have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. b, we have a, equals 1, b equals -4 and c, equals 4. In addition, we must have the following shown on screen. Hence, substituting the known values, we have the following shown on screen. Or we obtain the following shown on screen. There is only one possibility from two numbers to meet both these conditions: they must be equal. Thus, we have m equals 2 and n equals 2. Therefore, the factorized version of the original expression is shown in the following on screen. This is the long form of the second special algebraic identity, x minus 2 squared. Indeed, expanding this expression according to the rule, we have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen, which is identical to the original expression. That is all for lesson 6.4.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.4.4, Factorizing quadratics of the form a, x squared plus bx plus c, a, not equal to 1. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.